Ganda ng TV5.
Okay.
Ito po kayo po yung legal team.
Hindi. GP, I'm here as...
Hello po, magandang umaga po. Okay, sige. Thank you. Alright. Hi, Senator. Hello po.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. Where shall we get, sir? Yes. My name is Emilio Hari El Roque. I'm the Peace Council. I'm here to see...
Pinakausap niyo na po ba siya? PRRD? No comment? Sige. Alright.
I will ask you again because my intercom is not working.
Okay, go.
Yes, can I ask you?
My name is Herminio Hari El Roque Jr. I'm a member of the List Council of this court. I'm here to confer with my client, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He does not know that I have arrived at The Hague. He has to be informed. I'm also here in the presence of...
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
yes.
Sir, you can step in and the lady, she's not allowed to record.
The lady, you're not allowed to record. Okay, thank you.
Only for you.
I am here with the daughter of the...
For
the moment.
Only you come.
Senator, kailan po kayo dumating? Wala muna. Sige. Okay, sige. No problem.